Okay, let's begin. So, boys and girls, today we are covering how to write a good composition, and it's mostly about planning for a composition, right? So, a composition in primary school is basically a story. So, you have to write a story for me, yeah? So, we're going to look at the steps that we have to take in order to write a composition, and then I will provide more strategies and details as we go along as well in order to help you do a bit better for your writing. But before that, we are actually going to have a look at some grammar close questions. In fact, I have two exercises of grammar close, and I think most of you did the exercises online. So I will refer to your answers online to see whether you actually got it correct or not. So the two students who would still need to give me the answers would be Rina and Jerusha. Rina and Jerusha, yes, and Victoria. Rina, Jerusha, and Victoria, please give me your answers on the chat group in Zoom. Okay, let's go ahead. So we have the helping words at the top. Let's have a look. As a journalist, I have been honored to interview some exceptional girls. Blank girls will not let anyone stand in the way of their education. Amina is one such girl. I interviewed Amina last summer when I traveled blank Nigeria. Her home is a place blank girls are forced to quit school after a few years and stay at home. Blank not having a chance to attend secondary school, Amina has persisted in attending one. The act of simply showing up at secondary school is frowned upon, but Amina has stood up for her right to blank education. So, everyone got question one correct. So the three of you who haven't finished it, send me your answers for question one, please. So that would be Rina, Victoria, and Jerusha. What should number one be? I've been honored to interview some exceptional girls. Blank girls will not let anyone stand in the way. Jerusha has sent in her answer. Good. Victoria as well. How about Rina? Yes, so all of you are correct for this. Excellent. So the answer is H over here. And H actually represents these, right? These referring to these who? These girls that we are talking about here, these girls. All right. These girls are referring to the same exceptional girls that they were talking about previously. So that's correct. These. Amina is one such girl. I interviewed Amina last summer when I traveled blank Nigeria. What's the answer for number two, the three of you? This one, all of you who answered online got it correct. So you travel what a country? Nigeria is the name of a country. So while the three of them are coming up with the answers, Rina is correct, Jerusha is correct as well. How about Victoria? Just a bit of additional information. It is true that there are still some countries out there that frown upon the act of girls getting an education. So they're actually stopped from doing it. And one such case that was very, very strong was this, I think it was a Middle Eastern country. And then this girl was actually attacked because she wanted to have the right to study. And then, like she had acid poured on her face or something. So it's actually quite scary if you're born in those places and you're born as a girl. So you don't have, you don't have access to education. And Victoria just sent her answer. She is correct. The answer is K. All right, two. So travel to Nigeria. Good. For question three, those who answered online are correct as well. But how about the three of you? Her home is a place blank girls are forced to quit school after a few years. So it's a place, that's a very strong clue. Place, right? What kind of word do we refer to when we use place? What kind of pronoun do we use? Okay, Jerusha and Victoria are both correct. Waiting for Rina. So far we have only used K and we've only used H. Yes, so all of you are correct. The answer is L. All right. Her home is a place where girls are forced to quit school, okay, after a few years and stay at home. Blank not having a chance to attend secondary school, Amina has persisted in attending one. So, what's the best word for this? Victoria is correct. Good. For this one, Yutaka needs to give me the answer again because Yutaka got it wrong. Very good, Yutaka. You got it right now. Good. How about Rina and Jerusha for number 4? So this particular word has a very similar meaning to the word although. Similar to the meaning although. Something is like that, right? Something is the opposite. Like we can say, although I am fat, I can run really fast, right? So that's like opposite stuff, like although. So this word we're looking for here for number 4 has the same meaning as although. Okay, so Rina is correct as well. Just waiting for Jerusha. Jerusha, what's your answer for question 4? Yes, Jerusha has her dog avatar back again. Yes, Jerusha is correct. Okay, so the answer here is D, which stands for despite. So despite has the same meaning and usage as although, but the grammar that we use with it, right? The sentence structure is a bit different, but you are correct, right? All of you are correct. Despite not having a chance to attend secondary school, Amina has persisted in attending one. The act of simply showing up at secondary school is frowned upon, but Amina has stood up for her right to what education? So her right to this one, everyone got it right, but Yutaka needs to give me the answer again. Yutaka got it wrong. Here's a very important clue. Look at how this word starts, the pronunciation. Education, right? Education. Okay, Rina has sent me her answer. Yutaka has sent me his answer. Victoria has sent me her answer. Just waiting for Jerusha. It's rather straightforward actually for this one. Okay, Georgia has sent her answer. So the answer is B, her right to an education. Okay, we can't say this education. We're not talking about any particular education, but we're talking about an education. Like all girls in the world have a right, to have an education. All right, so that refers to any kind of education. So we have everyone over here getting everything correct. Good. So I'm just going to select everyone. Um, except for Rina. Rina got one wrong, so everyone gets 5. Rina gets 4. Okay. Now, moving on. So we have used B as well. So we have HKLDB. Let's see. Let's continue considering that. H, K, L, D, and B. So this is the second part of the grammar close. She excels in her studies and serves blank a role model for other girls. Many girls have been blank inspired by Amina's shining example that they have decided to strive to be like her. Number 6. I need the answers from the 3 of you plus. Okay, Joshua is correct. Victoria is correct. Rina is incorrect. And yes, all of the rest we got it correct. So the answer is actually C over here. All right, she serves as a role model, right? She serves as a role model. Let's see. For the next one, I need Brian and Yutaka to give me the answers as well as the other 3. So Many girls have been blank inspired by Amina shining example that. So the very powerful keyword that you need to have a look here, right, is the word that. This is definitely related to your blank. Okay, Victoria is correct. Brian is correct. Rina is not. Yutaka is correct. And I need Jerusha. Yes. Okay, so the answer is G over here. All right. So something that. So the answer is so, right? He was so hungry that he ate two big bowls of noodles, right? They were so upset that they started crying on the spot, that kind of thing. So that, right? They always come together. Okay. So far, two mistakes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two mistakes from Rina so far. Okay, but no worries. You can do better in the next one. Meeting Amina made me realize this. While basic education provides children blank skills to find jobs, it is secondary education that helps turn a bright, brave girl like Amina into a confident and strong leader blank and influence others. So let's look at number 8. What's the best answer there? Marissa did not give me the answer for this. Marissa needs to give you her answer for number 8. Yes, Victoria, you're correct. Rina is correct. Good. Waiting for, okay, Jerusha is correct as well. And waiting for Marissa. What should the answer here be? Yes, so the answer here is P. Well, let's cancel G, which we used just now. Oops. Answer here is P. All right, P is with. Education provides children with skills. All right. Next, how about number 9? And strong leader blank can influence others. For number 9, Marissa needs to give me the answer as well. And then I will need the answer from Pat. Pat got it wrong for number 9. And Brian got the answer wrong for number 9 as well. So everyone has to give me the answers for number 9, except for Emma and Yutaka. Okay, Brian, that is wrong, unfortunately. Jerusha, that is correct. Marissa, that is right. Rina, that is correct. Brian, that is still wrong. I have the answer from Victoria for this one. Victoria is correct as well. Good. Okay, so the answer for this is N, like what the latest one that Brian gave me, right? Because a confident and strong leader is a human, right? So the answer is N. A confident and strong leader who can influence others. So the answer is N, definitely over here. Okay. And then for question 10, every girl blank get a chance to have secondary education. Let us help girls like Amina to have an opportunity to study beyond primary school. So just select cancel 10 if I have. Okay, for this one, what's the answer? Rina has sent in her answer. Rina is correct. Good. Marissa needs to send in hers and Yutaka as well. Yes, Yutaka got it correct. Good. Marissa gets it correct. Good. Victoria sent it just now. Victoria is correct. Good. Jerusha is correct as well. Good. All right. So I think everyone got this one correct. Answer is F. Every girl should get a chance to have secondary education. Yep. So there we go. That's the last one. Okay, so let me just total your answers now. Oh, hold on. Yes.